In the parallel lines 1 exercise, we are told that the two horizontal lines are parallel and there's a third line that intersects them as shown below. If we know that the blue angle is 145 degrees, what is the measure of the orange angle? Well, let's draw our sketch of parallel lines cut by a transversal. Two lines are parallel to one another. We know that when we have parallel lines cut by a transversal, we can pick an angle, shade it, shade its vertical angle, imagine cutting those angles out, moving them down here, shade the corresponding angle of this angle, it's top left, and then bottom right, shade this angle. And we know that if they're the same color, they're equal. And if they're a different color, in our sketch, not necessarily in the problem, in our sketch, we know that they are supplementary. They add to 180 degrees. We know that when we have parallel lines cut by a transversal, we only have two relationships to deal with. Either deal with angles that are equal to one another or angles that add to 180 degrees. So let's take a look at the position of these two angles. So we have this angle right here. Let's pick a different color. This angle right here. We have this angle right here. As you can see in my diagram, this was a white angle originally and this was a red angle, so they are different colors, which means they add up to 180. I'm going to call the orange angle X. So now I'm just going to solve for X. I'm going to subtract 145 degrees from both sides of my equation. And X equals 35 degrees. So this angle right here is 35 degrees. The most challenging part about this exercise is going to be determining whether the two angles that you have identified are equal or whether they add to 180, because you could be given either type of problem.